If you want automatic recurring payments through Skrill for subscriptions, memberships, or services, here's the setup. Open your Skrill dashboard and go to Settings, Recurring Payment. Next, Skrill supports the two types. Merchant-initiated recurring billing. This is for subscriptions or websites like hosting platforms, SaaS apps, or online tools. When you make your first payment on a supported site, Skrill will show quote unquote allow recurring payments. Enable it. User schedule recurring transfers. This is inside Skrill itself. Tap send, head schedule payment. Right? Choose weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Set the recipient's email, amount, and currency. Skrill will auto send it. For merchants, you can also generate recurring invoices through Skrill merchant tools. Okay. Useful tips. Make sure your balance stays above the recurring amount. Enable push notifications so you know when a payment is sent. You can pause or edit recurring payments anytime in settings. And that's the complete guide to setting up automated and recurring payments with Skrill. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.